No, no. It's probably not going to happen in a sparring match, probably not going to happen in a boxing match, right? You want to be cool, you want to be calculated, and I'm about to share 3 realistic combinations that will help you improve your boxing game, whether it is for fitness or you're going to go out there and take a gold medal. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm always going live and I'm always updating you on educational videos. Shout out Tony Jeffries for the idea for this here video. So I know Tony, and he's knocked out a bunch of people with this one combination. We start with that rear uppercut and we're gonna finish with a hook body and then roll out. Rear uppercut right down the middle, right? So that's gonna make your opponent want to lift their arms or pull their elbows together, which exposes the body, and why we finish on that body shot. Uppercut, body. Uppercut, body. Make sure you exhale on those punches. Whew. Whew. Second combination, we're going to start with a lightning fast jab and then finish on a body shot. So you're going to be feeling out your opponent, right? Measuring with those jabs. Measure, throw a lightning fast jab, and then a hook to the body. Maybe step out to the side. That way you're creating this range, creating that angle. We'll go jab, nice and quick. Finish on that body shot with a step out. Your left leg steps out, so I'm southpaw. Your left leg steps out and your right leg, your right arm throws the punch. And then you reset. If you're southpaw like me, it'll be that right leg stepping out and that left rear hand coming around the body. So let's go jab to the head nice and quick, rip that rear body shot with the step out. Right back to your cheeks with those gloves. Make them miss, make them pay, baby. Third combination, and definitely my favorite, so thanks for sticking around this far. We're going jab, lean back, 2-1-2. Nice and quick with that 2-1-2. You've got all the weight on the back leg from leaning back. Throwing that back hand, finishing off with that 1-2. So we got jab, lean back. The lean back is if this guy throws his jab, same time, right after I throw my jab. I got that lean back advantage, but they got to come back, and I'm already stepping in with that 2-1-2. Pushing off that back foot. I really hope this helps. Please subscribe for more. I'll be dropping new videos, going live, teaching you boxing, teaching you fitness, bringing you up on your yoga and meditation game, because you know all high-level performers are practicing mindfulness, and I am your coach. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more.